Let's solve this question. The following data refers to a set of people. 40 played cricket or football but not hockey. 50 played football or hockey but not cricket. 60 played cricket or hockey but not football. If there are 30 who played exactly two sports, find the number of people who played exactly one sport. So people playing exactly one sport, I am writing them as 1. And people who play exactly two sports, and these are people play exactly three sports. Exactly three sports. This is people exactly playing exactly one sport, and this is exactly two sport. It is given me as 30. This I have to find out. This is not given. Now let's assume total people B T, or the people playing at least, these are people playing at least one sport. I have assumed them to be T. Now 40 played cricket or football but not hockey, so I can say people playing hockey would be T minus 40. 50 played football or hockey but not cricket, so people playing cricket would be T minus 50, and people playing football would be T minus 60. Now total people, or the people playing at least one sport, is T, so I can say 1 plus 2 plus 3 union of these three sets is how much T, and the people playing hockey, cricket and football, if I add these three, it becomes people playing exactly 1 plus 2 times of people playing exactly 2 and 3 times of people playing exactly 3. This is equal to 3T minus 640, 100, 150. Now 2 is given me as 30, so it will be 30 and this is 60. So this equation become 1 plus 3 is equal to T minus 30, and this 1 plus 3 times of 3 is equal to 3T minus 210. Now multiply 3, because I have to eliminate this variable of people playing exactly 3 sports. So this equation becomes 3 times people playing exactly 1, 3 times people playing exactly 3 is equal to 3T minus 90. So becomes if I subtract equation this equation from this equation, if I subtract, it becomes 3T get cancelled, this get cancelled. 2 times people playing exactly one sport is equal to 200 minus 90, that is 120 people. So people playing exactly one would be 120 divided by 2, or 60 people play exactly one sport. So correct answer to this question is option A.